Hey guys, so OnePlus is about to announce the OnePlus 9 launch date. Max says they're planning it for 8th March, so I guess launch should be on 22nd March. Also, they've started dropping some teasers on their website of Moonshot. They mentioned that something new is on the horizon. Stay tuned, March 8. So it is surely coming this month. The moonshot they are using is the image from Hasselblad history pages, so can see the collaboration is happening. Few days back, OnePlus gave an official confirmation on the naming of these devices. That's OnePlus 9, OnePlus 9 Pro and OnePlus 9R. See, I told you guys what to expect and we have seen the about phone screenshot of both the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. The 9R is exclusive to India and China, so you won't see leaks anytime soon. Now comes a huge information from Oxygen Updater. They found some codes in an engineering mode APK revealing some exciting OnePlus 9 color options. You can see I made some concepts according to this. So yeah, the standard 9 is coming in 3 colors, that's Astral Black, Arctic Sky and Winter Mist. Winter Mist is a gassy color we saw in the goldenish silver look. In Arctic Sky is surely something greenish blue. And black is no doubt a basic color which most prefer, it's not flashy. Verizon is getting two exciting colors for 9, gloss black and gloss gradient purple. I guess that gradient purple is gonna look something similar to the OnePlus 6G Special Edition Thunder Purple variant. Gloss black, as the name suggests, is something similar to mirror black. The expensive flagship OnePlus 9 Pro is coming in stellar black, forest green and morning mist. Black is a basic option without any flashy finish, and forest green may look something similar to glacial green we saw last year. This information also hints that Pro variant is not coming to Verizon, but T-Mobile is gonna sell both these models. OnePlus 9R is again not making its way globally, and that's why there's no mention of that device. It is coming to India and China with likely sales starting after two main flagship devices, 9 and 9 Pro. See, also one of you guys can get one for free cause I am giving away OnePlus 9 after its launch, so check Gleam link to participate. So yeah, this is all guys. The exciting OnePlus 9 series is coming really soon with some exciting specifications. They are focusing on camera, I guess they won't disappoint, and design also looks nice, not to mention they are using a top-notch Samsung's LTPO display on 9 Pro. Yes, also 45 watts of fast wireless charging is making its way. So that's all. Thanks so much for watching. I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.